Welcome to Investigating the Universe, where we explore the mysteries and wonders of our cosmos. Today, we're going to delve into a topic that's both fascinating and a little audacious: taking over the universe. Yes, you heard that right. The universe, that vast, seemingly infinite expanse of space that holds countless galaxies, stars, and planets. It's a colossal task, one that might seem impossible at first glance, given the sheer scale and complexity of the cosmos. But, as with any large task, it can be broken down into smaller, more manageable steps. We'll be exploring a roadmap to this cosmic conquest, discussing everything from understanding the universe to the technology and resources required, strategies for exploration and colonization, and even how to maintain control once you've achieved universal domination. So buckle up as we embark on this cosmic journey to take over the universe. The first step to taking over the universe is understanding it. So let's dive deep into the cosmos and unravel the mysteries of the universe. When we gaze up at the night sky, we're looking at a tiny fraction of the observable universe, which is filled with galaxies, stars, planets, and other cosmic elements. Let's start with galaxies. These are massive, gravitationally bound systems made up of stars, stellar remnants, interstellar gas, dust, and dark matter. The Milky Way, our galactic home, is just one among billions of galaxies in the universe, each with its unique shape, size, and composition. Within these galaxies, we find stars, the cosmic furnaces that light up the universe. Stars are born in the dense regions of galaxies and spend their lives fusing hydrogen into helium, releasing enormous amounts of energy in the process. Our Sun, a medium-sized star, is just one of the estimated 100 billion stars in the Milky Way galaxy alone. Then there are planets, celestial bodies orbiting a star or a stellar remnant. They come in all shapes and sizes, from gas giants like Jupiter to rocky worlds like our Earth. These planets provide the stage for the drama of life to potentially unfold. But what governs all these cosmic elements? That's where the laws of physics come into play. These laws are like the rule book of the universe. They dictate how matter and energy interact, how stars burn, how galaxies form, and even how the universe expands. Understanding these laws is crucial to understanding the universe. Gravity, for instance, is the force that holds galaxies together, keeps planets in orbit, and forms the structure of the universe on the largest scales. Then there's the theory of relativity, which describes how gravity works and how time and space are interconnected. Quantum mechanics, on the other hand, deals with the universe on the smallest scales. It explains the behavior of particles at the atomic and subatomic levels, which is essential for understanding stars, galaxies, and the universe as a whole. With a sound understanding of the universe, we are one step closer to our goal. Scene script. Next, we need the right tools and resources. Embarking on a journey to conquer the cosmos is not a task for the faint of heart. It requires technological prowess that transcends our current capabilities. Advanced space exploration technology is the cornerstone to this cosmic endeavor. From spacecraft that can endure the harsh conditions of space to robotics that aid in colonization, every bit of tech plays a significant role. The next critical resource is energy. The vastness of space necessitates an energy source that is not only sustainable, but also abundant. Harnessing the energy of stars like our own sun through Dyson spheres or exploring the potential of antimatter are avenues we could pursue. But remember, these are not simple tasks. They require a level of technological sophistication we are yet to achieve. Then comes manpower. It's not just about sending a handful of astronauts. We're talking about potentially millions of people venturing into the unknown. Training such a vast number of individuals in the intricacies of space travel and survival is a monumental task. But it's not impossible. With the right education and training systems, we could prepare humanity for a life among the stars. Lastly, we need materials. Building spacecraft, colonies, and machinery requires a significant amount of resources. Earth might not have enough. So, we need to consider mining asteroids, moons, and even other planets. This will not only provide us with the necessary materials, but also reduce the strain on our home planet. This cosmic venture is not just about having the right tools or resources. It's about the symbiotic relationship between them. The right technology allows us to harness energy, train manpower, and gather materials. In turn, These resources enable us to develop and refine our technology. It's a cycle of growth and advancement that propels us forward. Armed with the right tools and resources, we are ready to venture into the cosmos. Now, it's time to explore and colonize. The process of exploring the universe and colonizing planets is like nothing else we've ever undertaken. It's a grand adventure that's fraught with challenges, but also brimming with potential. Let's dive in. First, there's the sheer size of it all. The universe is vast, mind-bogglingly so. It's filled with billions upon billions of stars, each potentially hosting its own collection of planets. We're like tiny, intrepid explorers setting sail across an endless cosmic ocean. So where do we start? Well, our own solar system seems like a good place. Mars, for instance, has been the apple of space exploration's eye for quite some time now. The red planet is the most Earth-like world we've found so far, with a day length and axial tilt that are remarkably similar to our own. But even with these familiar conditions, colonizing Mars won't be a walk in the park. The thin atmosphere, intense radiation, and lack of liquid water pose significant challenges. We'll need to develop new technologies and strategies to overcome these obstacles. From creating sustainable habitats to figuring out how to grow food in Martian soil, there's a lot of work to be done. But what about beyond our solar system? The exoplanets orbiting distant stars represent an even greater challenge. Reaching these worlds will require advances in propulsion technology that currently exist only in the realm of science fiction. The voyage could take generations, necessitating the development of self-sustaining spacecraft where humans could live and reproduce during the journey. Despite these challenges, the potential rewards are enormous. If we can successfully colonize other worlds, we would ensure the survival of our species beyond the lifespan of our own planet. We could access resources on a scale we can barely imagine and learn more about the universe than we ever thought possible. The universe is a vast, wild frontier, teeming with unknowns and potential. It's a challenge, but one we're more than ready to take on. After all, we're a species of explorers, pioneers, and innovators. The universe is ours to explore and colonize. Taking over the universe is not just about exploration and colonization. It's also about maintaining control over the colonized areas. It's about laying the foundation of a universal empire. But how do we do that? Well, let's start with communication. The universe is vast, and signals sent from Earth could take years to reach distant galaxies. So, we need a faster, more efficient way to communicate. We might need to develop new technologies like quantum entanglement communicators, which could potentially allow for instantaneous communication across vast distances. Next comes governance. Establishing a universal administration is a Herculean task. We would need a system that ensures the rights and welfare of all beings, while also maintaining order and peace. This might involve creating a universal constitution, setting up governing bodies, and implementing laws and regulations that are fair and just. Resource management is another crucial aspect. The universe is rich with resources, but they are not evenly distributed. Some planets might be abundant in metals, while others might have vast reserves of water or other life-sustaining elements. We need to ensure that these resources are used wisely and sustainably, and that they are shared equitably among all colonies. This could involve setting up resource extraction and distribution networks, and implementing strict conservation measures. But we can't forget about defense. The universe is full of unknowns. There could be hostile entities out there, or natural disasters waiting to happen. We need to have contingency plans in place for all possible scenarios. This might involve setting up a universal defense force and developing advanced technologies for protection and disaster management. In essence, maintaining control over the universe is about establishing a strong and efficient infrastructure. It's about ensuring that every corner of the universe is connected, governed, and protected. It's about creating a universal society that is fair, sustainable, and resilient. With a firm control in place, the universe is truly ours. So, that's how you take over the universe. It's a colossal task, no doubt, but not entirely impossible. We've journeyed through the vast expanse of understanding the universe, a majestic tapestry of galaxies and cosmic phenomena. We've delved into the crucial role of technology and resources, the lifeblood of any universal takeover. Our voyage continued into the realms of exploration and colonization, a testament to our innate human curiosity and our ceaseless desire to push the boundaries of the known world. And finally, we've addressed the immense responsibility of maintaining control in a universe that's constantly changing and evolving. Indeed, conquering the universe is not for the faint of heart. It requires a broad understanding, the right tools, relentless exploration, strategic colonization, and stringent control. But with these components, the task becomes less daunting. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Investigating the Universe, and don't forget to like and share the video.